have the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, and I'll be showing you how to open settings. So there are two main ways of going to settings. The first method is swiping up from the bottom to reveal the main apps. And then here you want to find this icon. So this is the settings icon. If you tap on it, it takes you to the settings page. Another way of opening settings, just go back to the watch face. Another way of opening settings is by swiping right from the watch face to reveal the quick settings. And then here you should have this icon here, which is also the settings icon. If you tap on it, it takes you to the settings page. So those are the two ways of opening settings on your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. Thanks for watching and good luck.